We're going to deep fry frozen egg today. It is a recipe from Food Wars. When I was asked to cook this, I was puzzled and had doubts on whether I could do it properly. The result was amazing. Just look at these beautiful images. Put the egg into a plastic bag and let it freeze for at least 1 day. You may be wondering, why do we freeze the egg? According to Soma, freezing the egg intensifies the flavor of the yolk, giving it a creamy and gelatinous mouthfeel. I must say that this is indeed true. The egg had frozen and cracked in the freezer. Peel off the shell. To make the tempura batter, I use 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add just enough water to make a smooth batter. Dip the frozen egg into the batter. When the oil is hot, lower the egg into the oil. Let it fry for 3 minutes, turning over every now and then. Remove after 3 minutes and let it cool slightly. Serve with soy sauce. Enjoy.